IRS Form 1095A is the health insurance marketplace statement. If you or a family member enrolled in health coverage through a marketplace exchange, you receive this form from the exchange. It shows the months of coverage, the monthly premium for the second lowest cost silver plan in your area, and the amount of advance premium tax credits paid on your behalf. You need it to complete Form 8962. The top section identifies the marketplace and the policy number. Part 1 provides your personal information, including your name, SSN, and the SSNs of any covered family members. Part 2 describes the coverage, including the start and end dates. If your coverage started or ended mid-year, the months of coverage will reflect that. If you had more than one marketplace policy during the year, you receive a separate 1095A for each policy. Part 3 is a monthly table with 3 columns. Column A shows the monthly enrollment premium for your plan. Column B shows the monthly premium for the applicable second lowest cost silver plan in your area, which is used to calculate your tax credit. Column C shows the advance premium tax credit paid directly to your insurer each month. These monthly amounts are entered on the Form 8962 worksheet to reconcile the credits. If you received advance payments of the premium tax credit, you must file Form 8962 with your return to reconcile the advance payments against the credit you actually qualify for. If you received more in advance than you were entitled to, you may owe the excess back. If you received less, you may get an additional credit. Contact your marketplace if the form contains errors. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.